Hey everyone, welcome back to the Encrypted Capital Recap for Tuesday, February 9th. First off, we got Telcoin retracing slightly here, sitting at 0.0035 cents. We mentioned yesterday that we had pulled some profit since we were up 3,300% on our money, and we decided to stuff it into some suppressed assets. One of those assets being Tron over here. As I mentioned yesterday, we talked about accumulation ranges. This was one of the coins that I felt was in a huge accumulation range. As you can see here, it was trading between 1 and 3.3 cents for the longest time, all the way back in September of 2019. And it's just now starting to break to the upside. So I must say we timed that one perfectly. As mentioned, you guys want to take profits and stuff them into suppressed assets. Tron is a awesome project with Justin Sun backing it, and it looks to me like we are well on our way to a massive pump. Hopefully this comes to fruition, and what we will do with this profit is stuff it into more suppressed assets. That is the way to really multiply your money, have your money make little baby monies, and you will be in good shape. Next up, favorite guy on the internet, not Elon Musk. Bitcoin bet pays off with $270 million gain on first day. Yes, he mentioned that he added it to the balance sheet. Tesla has forged a path other corporate treasurers might follow into Bitcoin. Plus, Ether hits new record price above $1,800 as CME futures debut. It says the powerful rally came after Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla announced it had bought 1.5 billion of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has a market capitalization of $180 billion, which would rank it ahead of all but 6 of the world's largest publicly trading companies, including number 7 Tesla at $829 billion. For those keeping track of Tesla's bet, it appears to be paying off so far based on the 18% gain in the cryptocurrency's price over the past 24 hours. I saw an excellent tweet by Galgatron the other day talking about how Elon Musk called Bitcoin BS back in January, which really translated into I am going to accumulate while I say this, and then I am going to go ahead and say that I added to my balance sheet exactly 1 month later. Guy's a tool, Elon Musk. Don't listen to that guy. Next up, Ether hits $1,800 for the first time as market cap passes $200 billion. Ether has more than doubled in value this year, outperforming Bitcoin. It says Ether's cryptocurrency rallied to new lifetime highs early on Tuesday amid a continued drying up of sell-side liquidity in the market. The second largest crypto recorded a high of $1,824.59 during the European trading hours. Ethereum is leading the way for altcoins, but in my opinion, most of the gains have been made in Ether already. You got to think about the people that were buying Ether when it was once $80. It is now $1,800. They are going to be starting to pull profits on the retail traders. So even if Ethereum does what Bitcoin did and goes ahead and tests $20,000, that's not that much money when you consider the gains we just made on Telcoin up at 3,300%. I think Tron could be next, but obviously do your own research. When Tron pumps, it pumps like crazy. So get into those suppressed assets, do your own research. Next up, we got Apple. Apple is positioned to offer cryptocurrencies. The big companies are here, guys. You think it's a coincidence that Tesla goes ahead and releases that they're now in Bitcoin, and now Apple is positioned to offer cryptocurrencies. When guess what? Let me scroll down here. Where was my little highlight here? Remember when Apple proceeded cautiously with cryptocurrencies and they banned crypto wallets from the App Store in 2014? Who do you think was buying at that point? You think Apple was buying? Most likely. Billionaires are ready to sell you what they have already bought. So do your own research. Find those suppressed assets. Look at these guys, Investor Place. If you still have Ripple for some reason, sell it while you can. These guys want to take your money. Do not listen to them. It says, after its short-lived spike, Ripple may be heading lower permanently. Really? Permanently? A company valued at $10 billion that just raised their Series C is just going to go away permanently? Give me a break, dude. There's no way. Is Ripple a buy the dip situation on a pullback after going parabolic? Not so fast. The explosive price action in this fading altcoin has nothing to do with its underlying fundamentals. Fading altcoin? Really? Really? The third, fourth largest crypto by market cap is now a fading altcoin. It's only been around since what? 2012, 2013. I can't remember the exact year. You think they're going anywhere? Hell no. With the GameStop short squeeze saga now in the history books, some retail traders have shifted to hyping up altcoins online for fun and profit. You mean Elon Musk? You mean Snoop Dogg? You mean Mark Cuban? Those guys hyping up altcoins because they already got their position set? Yeah, right. Find those suppressed assets. Find what no one is talking about. Do not listen to Investor Place. They're a bunch of tools. Next up. Stably USD launches on the Tezos blockchain to lower transaction costs. Again, suppressed assets. The regulated stablecoin fully backed by the US dollar, Stably USD, will launch on the popular public blockchain Tezos as a part of an ongoing collaboration between the two parties. The stablecoin issuer aims to target lower fees with the Tezos network, which recently went through an upgrade that decreased the cost by about 75%. Let's pull up the Tezos chart here. Very, very new project. Going to be going into price discovery soon. We don't know where it's been. We don't know where it's going. But guess what? Talk about accumulation. All of this right here, accumulation. A lot of volume. Clearly, there are a lot of investors getting into this project that are in the know. You can be in the know too if you do your research. You can even stake Tezos in your Ledger wallet right now and make money on it and turn it into an interest-bearing account. How cool is that? You got to stake your coins. Basically, let the nodes use your coins to process transactions. You will get paid. You can earn a few bucks a day or every other day, depending on how much money you have in Tezos. So do your own research. Find those suppressed assets. And last but not least, I want to pull this article up because a lot of my friends think that money is everything. And I know that we've heard this before, but I wanted to cite this article. This was from magazine by Cointelegraph. The wealthiest time of my life was the most miserable. Peter McCormick goes on to talk about how he had a lot of money a couple times in his life. And now, when he was the wealthiest, he had trouble. His marriage broke up. He said money didn't make a difference. Even if I'd been really rich, I still would have had the panic attacks and anxiety. He still would have been miserable. Says he's in a much better place now. That just goes to say that money is not everything. While we are all here to take the billionaire's money, getting rich basically just allows you the ability to have more time. I think time is the most valuable thing, and you can have all the time in the world even if you aren't rich. In my opinion, having time is what makes you rich and makes you wealthy. Being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want. I don't care if you're making 30 grand a year, 40, 50 grand a year. If you're happy and you have time with your kids and you have time to go take vacations and help other people better their lives, that is a great thing. That is true wealth. This is what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys make money and take the billionaire's money. Just got to not get emotional, have that contrarian mindset, and realize money is not everything. Time is everything. The time that you have with your loved ones is everything. So keep that in mind. Let's make that money so we can have time. And if you already got time, well, guess what? You're already wealthy in my opinion. And with that being said, that will do it for this edition of the Encrypted Capital Recap. If you guys like what you heard, please drop us a like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, get this stuff out there, and we will catch you all in the next video.